The old jail.
1832.
1832 jail.
Till 1997.
Oh. Wow. Hey, she's wanting to talk to us now. Tell them, come on.
Hey, y'all, come on.
Get you guys in here, and then we'll get you guys to sign the guest book on your way out.
Hey, y'all.
How you doing?
What's some big rocks in here? Here, put these in here. Strong people.
Water pipe.
Yes. So, this is the Charlotte County Jail. It's actually the third jail in the area. The previous jails were actually made of wood and had dirt floors. So they decided that to avoid people, they actually had someone dig out.
Yeah.
So they decided to build this jail here out of granite from Maine as a much sturdier jail. And it was built in 1832 and operated until 1979. So very, very.
1979? They put prisons here in 1979?
I mean, it was
Did they
also,
hang people here too?
Yes, there's 2 hangings here. One in 1870s and one in 1942.
Wow.
Because that was capital punishment for murder, and they have murdered people.
There's the murderer.
Well, that's a different murder case. So that is actually a woman. Her name is Sarah Oliver. And her story is that one right there, twice accused of murder.
Twice?
Twice. So this is the first time she was accused. She had gotten into an argument with the man she was having an affair with and struck him with a fence post.
Oh, wow,
He
them little
died,
bitty
and
cells.
they tried to hold her on account of murder. There was no evidence for this murder, but they tried to hold her again. And while she was in here, she actually managed to leave pregnant. She was in here for about 4 months, I believe that's what's in there.
Wow. Danny, you might be able to squeeze through here.
Well, the idea is that you step in sideways, and it's hard to run because that's the idea, is that keep people in. And then they have a block at the bottom to make you stumble if you try to run out. So it's actually called a stumbling block. There for the drone. Who are thrown in.
Wow, here's a little bitty
So
cell.
there wouldn't have been lights. No lights. So the lights that are on right
Used
now
it to 79, that's
they
amazing.
wouldn't have went in. Yeah. Well, they wanted to see.
Dina, what are you in there for?
So,
What, for murder?
yeah, we'll get you guys headed
Murder?
Murder.
down there.
Huh?
We're not
Murder.
routing the whole
Oh no.
Yes.
Who'd you kill?
I'm going to.
Lucky for you.
Hold on, Dina, I might not got a good one of your head.
They would have had this little thing, and then they would have closed it here.
And then if somebody came in and knocked on the jailer would come in there, right?
Yes, so he would slide the thing.
Would there be a jailer in there and a jailer out here?
No, one jailer for the whole thing, and basically he would live in the portions that were not jail.
Oh, wow.
Worst jail in the province.
So he could open that up and say, what are you screaming at in there?
Yes.
But they would be in their cells, right? They
yes.
wouldn't be in this hall.
Well, sometimes they were allowed in the hallway, but most of the time they'd be in their cells.
Here's some stuff you can read,
Yeah,
Tommy.
she's got to.
It's okay. Okay. It's okay.
Hey, yeah, and there's that other jailing door too. See,
Yeah, so there's this door.
they could actually have that shut and leave, shut that at night.
No problem.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
good day.
I got the other door.
Grand jury.
Yeah, so that is the actual original.
Grand jury on view of prison would remark that it appears sufficiently strong for anything where strength alone is required, but the principle that imprisonment should not be tortured and death.
Tell us about the jail.
This jail,
Here.
first off, I can't believe this jail was operating in 1979. It is the worst jail I've ever seen, and I've seen some pretty bad jails.
$20 a day. Okay.
We are members. We are. And already both signed up. It don't look like no real
Go on the
life.
site and see if you can book tomorrow night.
We have to
Right,
cancel the.
Cancel the one and go in and do that one because they won't let us do both of them.
Well, this is a nice big lighthouse. We got a light restoration project here. Built in 1833, operated in 1933, 100 years. This is the old anchor on the ground. This is a restoration project here in St. Andrews, New Brunswick, Canada. It's a lighthouse. They got the old anchor there. Beautiful boat sitting there moored out there on the mooring balls. The tide is up. Yesterday, the tide was down, real far down. And they already, yesterday, that tower there was on land. You could walk out to it, touch it. Wow. That water, Lynn said that water was freezing.
Did you go down and touch it?
Yeah, I believe Maggie still do it though. Maggie loves.
She went down there and she had her legs up on the back step and her paws down there on the next one that was a little bit wet. She stood there just a minute and she said,
Do you think Maggie still do it?
Oh, yeah.
Even as cold as it is?
We brought her down there. She would absolutely love it.
It says here, shellfish, oysters, listen to this, shellfish, oysters, clams, mussels, other are possibly contaminated. Danger.
She's talking. Listen.
and you can
That anchor's been underwater a while. I got it stuck there. Man, it's heavy, but it's been underwater a while. Ain't no telling what it's to. Chain. Yeah, that's something.